Everybody. Through this video, I'm starting a new series of vocabulary enrichment. As we all know that in English language there are many words taken from other languages. So if we know the meaning of a root word, we can easily figure out the meaning of many of the words containing that particular root. So to start with, I'll start with the first root, that is I. So for I, in Latin language, Latin, there is a word ego which means I. I is the greatest concern in the mind of an egoist. An egoist is considered so selfish who used to think about his or her concern only. Further, the word is egotist. Notice the word extra T in egotist. T for talk. The person who used to continuously talk about himself or herself only. What is about him only. The next word is ego plus center. Egocentric. So if you are an egocentric, you consider yourself the center of the universe. Means this is the extremity of egoism. And if we add mania to ego, the word becomes egomaniac. So and if you are an egomaniac, so you carry uh, egoism to such an extreme, means your needs, your desires and your interest have become a morbid obsession, mania, madness. So egomaniac. So all in all, an egoist or egotist is hateful, and talking about egocentric is somewhere intolerable, and talking about egomaniac, he is dangerous, slightly mad. So these are the words on the root ego. Next root that we'll discuss is alter. Alter is the Latin root for which means other. So as there is a person egoist who used to think about himself or herself only, so there used to be people who used to think for the benefit of others also. Others, alter, altruist. So the person who used to think about the benefit of others, that is altruist. So the altruistic actions are which tend to towards the benefit of others. And altruism is the philosophy practiced by altruists. The next word related to the root alter is alternate. So if you alternate, you skip one and take the other. And if you have no alternative, means you have no other choice. Similarly, we have another word, alteration. Of course, a change, making into something other. And in the same way, when you alter your plans, you make other plans. The next word on the root alter is altercation. Altercation is a verbal dispute, fight with words. So talking about, this is a violent fight with words. And why? Because you have other plans, other ideas than the person with you whom are you having this fight. The last word which we will discuss here is when we'll combine these two roots. Which two roots? Ego, our first root, and the second is alter. So the word become alter ego. So the alter ego generally refers to a person who is exactly like you, who is just your mirror image, who thinks like you, acts like you, and such a person is your other self, your alter ego. So we see that just by knowing the meaning of these two roots, we can make many of the words, and we can figure out of the meaning of the many of the words containing these two roots. So for right now, I am signing off, and Hope to meet you again with some more roots. Thank you. Bye bye.